Hey everyone! Welcome to our new 3D letter fusion on sparrowsculpt.com, the easiest way to turn your words into eye-catching 3D designs. Today, we're diving into something super cool, creating awesome 3D fused letters. It looks complex, but I'm going to show you a straightforward way to get it done. Let's fire up our design software and get started. First things first, let's type out two letters, use slide button or intertwine to overlap your letters. This is the key part. You want them to be close enough that they're touching and slightly interlocked. Don't be afraid to experiment with the spacing and overlap until it feels right. The more they overlap, the more dramatic the fusion will be. Alright, let's dive into the next step. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll see a button that says Generate 9 Shapes. Go ahead and give that a click. And just like that, boom! Instantly, you'll see 9 different rotating, merged 3D shapes pop up right on your screen. How cool is that? It's like having your own personal design factory at your fingertips. Now take a moment to look through them. Each one is unique, a different combination of the letters you chose. Once you've had a good look, you can pick one of your favorite merged 3D shape from the screen. This will bring it up for a closer look, allowing for further analysis. If you like it, you can simply click Download button to download the object. You can print it out from your 3D printer and bring your creation to life, holding it right in your hands. Or start over again by clicking Rotation button on the bottom of the right corner. You can manipulate the merged letters by using Slide Intertwine to position these two letters you like. Let's talk about symmetry function. There are bilateral, rotational, circular freeze, translate, freeze, glide reflect. I am going to type 2P and show you how to use rotational and circular function. You just go to symmetry and click rotation and slide the copies bar. You can see how it is changing on the screen. And select circular. Slide the copies and diameter bar to get the desired result. There you have it. A stunning 3D fused letter design made from scratch. The second step, I'm going to talk about deformed letters, how I got this idea and concept behind it. A triangle, which is the most stable shape, most of the people see it. It is flat and two-dimensional, but if you stare it from the top for a period of the time, you will see one of the lines float to the top or sink to the bottom. It is a changing world. Everything is moving. I give each line a depth. It is not flat anymore, but three-dimensional. I applied this idea to letters, numbers, and Chinese characters. They are becoming building blocks. You can manipulate them to form an unprecedented 3D shapes. Even it will be hard for the architects or 3D designers to comprehensive by these random combination of the 3D objects. Let's start. Step 1, scroll to Style Font and select English Deformed. Step 2, go to Geometry and slide the Translate bar all the way to the right. Step 3, scroll down to the bottom and click Generate Multiple. Step 4, slick and select one from 9 rotating objects. Step 5, go to the top middle icon, click the grid one time to disable grid plane for a better view. Step 6, click 6 reflections gallery and one from 6 rotating objects based on your instant preference. Then, using clone or mirror tool to assemble your design to a bigger 3D object for better review. If you don't like the design, you simply click rotation button on the bottom right corner and start over again. Trust me, you will get the different 3D designs each time when you're using this app. Lastly, let me show you the coolest part of this app, the randomize function. This is where the real magic happens. When you tap this button, the app instantly grabs 2 letters for you. You can choose between standard letters or the deformed ones. It's like a creative lottery. Now, if you're feeling adventurous, hit the advanced button. It uses a different algorithm to generate even more complex and intricate shapes. And check this out, the same pair button lets you explore how the same pair letters can be arranged in surprisingly different ways. Want to expand your design? Use the 6 reflections gallery, the clone tool, or the mirror tool to create a larger, more detailed pattern. If you're not totally in love with what you've got, no problem. Just click the rotation button to go back to the basic merged object and start fresh. Give it a try. You'll be amazed by the unique designs you can create. This technique is so versatile, you can use it for logos, home decor, architectural design, building facade design, and others. You name it, the applications are practically endless, and it's all about your own creativity. I hope this tutorial was helpful and inspires you to try it out for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.